Hey everyone, my name's Matt and I've been working on Fiverr since 2011 as a design and SEO expert. I've been a top rated seller and I've worked with over 700 different buyers on Fiverr, and I've learned an incredible amount of tips and tricks as well as working with all sorts of buyers from all over the world. I've managed to earn just around $10,000 on Fiverr so far, and that's growing every single day. And I've put this class together to share all of my tips and tricks with you to help you create your very first gig on Fiverr. There's never been such an important time to create a side income or a side hustle that brings you a little bit of money in, as well as making money doing something that you love and enjoy. I created this class to share all of my tips and tricks to help you become a top rated seller on Fiverr. If you don't know what Fiverr is, it's a huge worldwide marketplace where you can sell services starting from $5 to people all over the world, and it's a great way to start building your freelance business and a side income or a side hustle. This course will cover all areas of Fiverr, from a very experienced seller looking at optimizing your gig to appear in more searches, crafting it to be the best it can be to convert as many sales as possible, as well as tons of hacks, tips and tricks whilst working on the Fiverr platform. If you enroll in this class, I'll take you through my 4-part easy to understand process, which focuses on attracting visitors, engaging prospects, converting leads and fulfilling orders. You can understand how to rank higher on Fiverr to get more orders, how to make more money out of every single order and master the art of upselling, and you can get involved in the class project where you can share what you've created with your very first gig with everyone else, and I'll be able to give you some feedback and some tips and tricks on how to optimize and craft your gig perfectly on Fiverr, and that will ensure that you're ready to take your very first order. This is the class that I wish I had when I started out on Fiverr. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.